If you are in Ghana and you need to transfer your domain and hosting to another registrar, then this video is for you, because in it, I'm going to show you how to transfer your domain and hosting to another registrar. Coming up, I'll leave link to Hooper Web in the description down below. And this brings me to Hooper Web. Hooper Web provides a shared hosting services, and they offer one of the best prices in Ghana here. If I go to web hosting, then I scroll down to plans. These are the various plans you get with Hooper Web. They have baby plan, business, and unlimited. With the baby plan, the price starts from 8 Ghana cedis per month, and you'll be able to host one website with 5 GB SSD storage. You have unlimited bandwidth, unlimited free SSL certificates, 5 email accounts. You can also install your website using Softaculous Auto Installer, and there are no renewal price hikes. With the business package, which is 11 Ghana cedis 35 pesos per month, you'll be able to host 15 websites with 12 GB SSD storage, and you can have up to 15 email accounts. And final is the unlimited plan, which starts from 37 Ghana cedis 75 pesos per month, and everything about this package is unlimited. You even get free domain yearly. It should be noted that with all these 3 packages, you'll be able to add subdomains. For this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and choose the baby plan. So I click on choose plan, and I choose a domain. You can choose to register a new domain by entering it right here. You can also transfer your domain from another registrar, or use your existing domain and update your name servers. For this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and transfer my domain from another registrar. So I choose this, and in here, I go ahead and enter the domain I want to transfer. And it is a .com domain, so I don't do anything here. I go ahead and click on transfer. Your domain is eligible for transfer. Please ensure you have unlocked your domain at your current registrar before continuing. So for you to be able to completely transfer your domain from one registrar to another, you need to go ahead and unlock your domain from the current registrar. Before I do that, I click on continue. Under configure, I'm going to go ahead and change the billing cycle from monthly to yearly. So I'll choose annually. Then I click on continue. And this is where I'll enter the code I'll be getting from the current registrar. So let me log into the current registrar and retrieve the code. Alright, I've signed into my current registrar. Next, I go over to domains and I choose my domains. Going down, this is the domain I want to transfer away. I go to the end and drop down the arrow from here and click on manage domain. Take note, this process may vary from one registrar to another. Next, I click on registrar lock, and as you can see in here, the registrar lock is set to enabled. I'll just go ahead and click on disable registrar lock. Now registrar lock is disabled successfully. Next, I click on get EPP code, and this is the code I will use in order to transfer my domain away from this registrar to Hooper Web. So I go ahead and highlight it. I copy it, then I go back to Hooper Web and paste it in here. Then I click on continue. So in here, the cost of the baby plan is 84 Ghana cedis per year, and the cost of domain is 84 Ghana cedis per year, which amounted to 168 Ghana cedis per year. I click on checkout. If you are a new user, you simply go ahead and fill out this form, and then choose your preferred payment gateway and go ahead and complete the order. I am an existing user, so I just click on already registered, and in here I go ahead and enter my email address, my password, and I'll choose Paystack as my payment gateway. Going down, I agree to the terms of service, and I'll go ahead and enter in this code right here, and I click on complete order. And this will take me to the payment gateway where I make my payment. In here, you can use a debit card, enter in your card number here, card expiry date, and card CVV number. Then you go ahead and click on pay. You can also use mobile money, and that is what I'm going to use. You simply enter in your number here, and automatically the provider will be selected for you. So I'll go ahead and do this, click on confirm, make the payment, and meet you in a second. Alright, I've made the payment, and as you can see, I have the domain in my client area. Now if I go to my email, HooperWeb will send me some messages, and this is the message you should be looking for: HooperWeb-hosting account information. I click on it, and this email will contain the payment details as well as my login details. You can find the login details under control panel login information. I've hidden my password for obvious reasons. So the next thing I'm going to show you is how to log into your cPanel account. To do that, I click on the control panel URL, which will open in a new tab. I've entered my login details, then I click on sign in, and this brings me to my HooperWeb Direct Admin cPanel. So from here, you can go ahead and proceed to installing your website. Now, if you don't have a website yet, I have a link in the description down below that will show you step by step as to how to create your very own custom website. So that's it on how to transfer your domain from another registrar to HooperWeb. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you will be the first to know. Keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one.